Hello, Asman, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is DCA Azman.
Bahasa?
I used to be investment analyst for 20 years in the government and private sector. Now I am full-time in BE. So my experience in BE started because I suffered for gout more than 10 years. Lepas tu saya mula-mula saya pakai boxer dengan socks, tak jalan, lagi sakit. So lepas tu bini saya paksa saya pakai pants dan juga saya konsum Zenkoso, spirulina, Zenkoso, Shiruto and also Livco. And then now Alhamdulillah, the gout is 90% gone.
Okay, berapa lama you pakai itu bilis produk dan berapa lama you pakai Aropex?
Okay.
Baru soft.
Okay, so when you have gout, dan you cuba ikhtiar dengan Alora and Bilix, the healing crisis is very long. It takes about 2 months macam tu. Because the gout tu dia akan lari-lari dekat tempat lain. So that one very surprising for me. Tapi in the end it will clear up. The Shiruto you makan is for the keradangan, for the inflammation. The Zenkoso you makan so that the food that you eat will be metabolized right. And then Livco is for your liver lah. Liver ni is key to all our health problems.
So lebih kurang berapa lama tak okay itu gout?
About 2 months. 2 bulan. 2 bulan. Alhamdulillah. Dia semakin lama semakin kurang lah. So sekarang ni bila I makan banyak sangat, dia akan start rasa macam nak gout. So I cepat-cepat up the functional food.
Alright, thank you.